Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And honestly, what is going on? Honestly, 2025 has been off to a very jolting start. So this is supposed to be still like a fun celebratory video, but things just don't seem very fun and celebratory in the world. So I just wanted to acknowledge that first, because this is a video that I do and I share every year, and it's a really positive video. I usually have like words of inspiration and motivation I kind of plug into these videos. It's like, but this year it's been just challenging. So I guess I want to see how everyone's doing. I'd love to hear from you. So definitely comment below. How are you doing? How's your 2025 so far? And if you have a motivation message or a message of inspiration, please leave it in the comment section for everyone to read. Maybe we can get some inspiration and motivation from each other. Yeah. So, hi guys. This video is an unboxing video. So every year for New Year's, it became a bit of a tradition for me to pick up a piece of fine jewelry for myself to kind of take me into the new year, like a gift for the new year. And honestly, doing this is how I started really building my fine jewelry collection. I have gotten a few questions about my fine jewelry. I keep my pieces very simple, very minimalistic. I believe my first piece of fine jewelry when I started collecting in this way was my Cartier bracelet. I have like unboxings and reviews of all of my pieces I think I've done since I started doing this, but I first kicked off with me getting this diamond bracelet by Cartier. And then I ended up getting my diamond necklaces. These are from Mejuri. My little diamond cuff, earring cuff. So each year I've been doing an unboxing at the top of the year to kind of share something exciting, a little piece of fine jewelry that I picked up for myself. And I usually share like some inspiration in that video. So bit of a backstory, guys. I want to tell you what I wanted and then like what I ended up getting and where I ended up getting it from. But I wanted to get a simple platinum band. I wanted a platinum like thin band that I could wear every day. I wanted to have it engraved, and that was it. That was like my only criteria. Now it is obviously, platinum is fine jewelry, right? Platinum is like the most precious metal. It's like the diamond of metals. So yes, platinum is like the most precious metal you can get. And I wanted to get a platinum ring to commemorate 2024. 2024 was just such an awesome year for me. I mean, I experienced a lot. I did a lot. I overcame a lot. I had so many wonderful things happen for me in 2024. And honestly, it was a bittersweet feeling leaving 2024. And I wanted to take a bit of it with me, if that makes sense. Just more so than a memory, like a physical token with me. And so I was looking for the platinum band, so I went to Cartier. Of course, I went to Cartier and I was shopping around for the band. They did have a few options, although they did not have them regularly like available for try on, and the price point was, you know, Cartier price point. So I was still browsing around. Cartier didn't even have it for me, so even if I was like super excited and wanted to get it right away, I would have had to order it, and it was, I think, being projected to take a while. So I started to look at other jewelers, and my next stop was Mejuri. Now, I have to say Mejuri over the years has continuously stepped up their game. Like, their pieces have just gotten more and more beautiful in my opinion, and they have expanded their range quite a bit. I also like Mejuri because they have kept true to kind of their mission, which is like fine jewelry at very reasonable pricing. So they've kept very true to that. Also, like I said, they've expanded their range, and yeah, I've fallen more in love with Mejuri over time. So I went to Mejuri, and can you believe they had the same exact band that I was looking for at Cartier? The same weight, the same size, everything was exactly the same, and it is half the price of the Cartier ring. Half price. And so when I saw the ring at Mejuri, I kind of stopped looking because I was like, A, this price is amazing, the price point, not to mention it's like this piece is a general, like you can get a platinum band made by any jeweler. It's not like signature or unique to Cartier, so I felt like there was absolutely no point in paying that additional premium price just because it would have been Cartier. So anyways, I ended up going to Mejuri. Now the thing is, platinum pieces I believe are pretty new to Mejuri, so I had to do like a made to order, which that's why I'm filming this a month into 2025, because it literally took some weeks to get the order. So let's just unbox, share, but that's kind of the backstory of it. And so here's a little card that came with it, and it says, "May all your dreams come alive. Happy 2025." Yes, let's hope that 2025 does just get better from here. When you purchase Mejuri, it comes in this dust bag, which I absolutely love these dust bags. I use them for travel, and they're just such an awesome little keepsake gift. Great for storage, travel, etc. And then here is the Mejuri box. So when you open it, here is a Mejuri polishing cloth. These are excellent too. I do like to keep these. So this is a polishing cloth. And there is my new ring in the box. So let's take it out. So most of your jewelry pieces will come with this tag. It's a little Mejuri tag. It's kind of like try it out, test it out, but then when you remove the tag, like it's yours, you own it. So this is like to prove that it's like you need to keep this on to prove that it's been unworn. And like I said, this is a gift, so I don't plan on exchanging or returning it. I also got it engraved, which is really special. So it has my name, Zara, and 2024 engraved inside. There is absolutely no way you'll see the engraving because the ring itself is quite small. The ring itself is quite small, so there's no way you guys will be able to, the camera can pick up the engraving. But it does have my name engraved on the inside with the year 2024. I also celebrated a huge milestone birthday in 2024. So that's another reason why the year was so significant to me. So let's try the ring on. Ooh, yes. Look how beautiful, guys. And this is my first piece of platinum jewelry. And like I said, I just wanted to upgrade to platinum. I felt like platinum was the way to go. So I absolutely love it. Like I said, this was made to order. I will absolutely link this ring down below if you're searching for any jewelry pieces. I will also link all of my favorite Mejuri pieces as well. So definitely check out the description box. But guys, I absolutely adore the ring. Are we gonna, let's cut this off because I'm wearing it. Yay. So there we go. And now this is my ring. Absolutely love it. It's stunning. It's exactly what I wanted. Awesome quality. And yeah, so I have been looking forward to not only receiving this, but sharing it with you guys for a full month. Like I said, this piece was made to order, so it was made especially for me. And it's just gorgeous and stunning. I am so happy with it. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for letting me share this with you. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. If you're into that, definitely subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments section below. Until next time, guys.